Okay, today is September 18th, 2019. I'm filming this video to show that this coffee Cuisinart unit works. I'm going to be shipping it off to California, and I want to make sure that the customer knows that it's working perfectly fine. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on after it's already been filled with coffee beans, and we have a little bit more than 2 cups of water set. I have the setting at the dial for the grinder control for 2 cups. And we're going to go ahead and hit the on button. There, it's on. And there you go, it's starting to grind up the beans. There you can see the beans moving nicely as they get grinded. It stops when it gets to the 2-cup level, and then it should start brewing. It'll take a little while, but it will start brewing, and we should have some nice coffee coming out. It's a very nice unit. It makes 2 to 12 cups of coffee. It smells great. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it when you use it. It has a slight little dent here, which is so minor, but it was listed in the on eBay, so you know that it does have a little dent. Everything else is nice, perfectly fine. Has another little dent there that I didn't notice, but sorry about that one. I can hear it. Starting to drip through. You can see the coffee dripping through. You can hear it if I stay quiet. Smells really good. It's still going. It'll take a little while. It's making 2 cups of coffee, but you can see the machine works perfectly fine. Very nice machine. I wish you could smell how nice it is in here. It smells great when you make fresh coffee. It's almost done, I think. You can still see some coming out, you can still hear it. So it's still brewing. Try to see if it's ready, if there's enough to pour out. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's pour some coffee into the cup here. You can see we're getting some nice coffee there. It's a big mug. But there you go, you get the idea. Nice hot coffee. Smells great. And that's it. You can see it works perfectly fine. Thank you.